What up, tubers? We back and we rebuilding the island. Got a new unit. Check this one out. We are walking in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Everything is new. We got new refrigerator, new stove, new microwave over the stove, crown molding, wash machine and dryer, front runner. This is a Waterfront Harbor View, new cabinets. Everything is going to be put together by the time we come back. Look, rebuilding the island. Let's go check and see what we got. Look at that view. No, I didn't go on the balcony. Sorry, I'll show you the balcony later. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh. Everything, the lighting, everything is new. New cabinets, everything. Open floor plans. Look at that. Look at that. We're walking into the office. This is the hallway to the office. This is the office. New windows. This is the master bath. New vanity. This is the master bedroom. The master bath has a tub, toilets. Look at the view. Oh my goodness. It's the views for me. Crown molding. You can see toilets, everything. When we come back, we are going to be amazed how it looks. Painted, redone, revamped, and it's on the island. This is St. Thomas, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We rebuilding. Come back and I'm going to show you what it's like after it's done. You know we're sociable. I am sociable. Go check out Sociable at sociable.org. We got yoga mats. We have towels. We have burping cloths. We got everything you need for St. Thomas. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys. Deuces.